Hello and welcome. You're watching Business Today TV. I'm Sakshi Batra, and this is Markets Today, where we focus on the markets currently and also help you really understand some of the trends that are being witnessed in the markets currently. To help us with this, I have with me a very special person joining right in. Mr. Chandan Taparia joins in from Motilal Oswal Financial Services. He's a technicals and derivatives expert as well. Welcome, Mr. Taparia, and thank you so much for taking the time out for us. Well, the markets are seeing some profit booking as we speak. They're down from that 5-month peak. But today is a historic day because we did see the Nifty Bank climbing to record levels. And that's going to be the focus of our discussion today. I want your thoughts on the Nifty Bank, coming to record levels of 41,840 intraday today. What led to this rally? Why are investors really chasing the banking stocks? They have performed remarkably well over the last 2 or 3 months as well. So help me understand, do you believe have things structurally changed for the banking space?
Yeah, thanks, Sakshi. We have seen good outperformance in the Bank Nifty, and today it made the new lifetime high of 41,840. Earlier lifetime high was 41,826 marks. And the good part is we have seen good run up. If I look at YTD basis, your banking index is up by around 16%. If I look at the month-on-month basis, we have seen run up from all the way to 32,300 to 41,840 kind of level. So good run up of more than 10,000 points as seen in the Bank Nifty index. And the good part is that it has rallied by around 16% on YTD basis. So positive setup is clearly visible. And in this entire momentum, we have seen participation mainly from ICICI Bank, SBI. Support-based buying was seen in Axis Bank. Even the counter like IndusInd Bank has also seen the good run up. So we believe this outperformance could continue in the banking index. However, in Nifty, we are still 700 points lower than its lifetime high, but Bank Nifty has made it. So we believe this outperformance will continue. On immediate basis, we have supported 40,250, and with the support of 40,250, slow and steady Bank Nifty is all set to head to us 43,000 to 43,500 zone.
Okay, so slowly and gradually to 43,500 zones. But in case I have to ask you till Diwali, since that's the next landmark that the markets are eyeing and the investors are watching out for, you said the Nifty Bank you expect to continue to outperform. So on technical charts by Diwali, what kind of levels do you really expect?
Yeah, so when you talk about on Diwali basis, we are looking near to 42,500, further 1,500 plus points rally from the current level. And if you look at the support, that will be near to around 40,000 mark. So 40,000 to 43,500 or 42,500 could be the major level we are looking for in Bank Nifty index.
Okay, but do you also expect Nifty Bank to outperform even the Nifty in the run up to Diwali? And should that the index be on traders' radar? Should that be the preferred index?
Exactly, we are expecting this outperformance is likely to continue. Because what we have noticed in this market, selective IT counters are laggards, which is not allowing your Nifty to perform well in line to the broader market. So that is the reason. And again, we believe that momentum could continue in counter like SBI, ICICI Bank, Axis Bank, IndusInd Bank, and all these banking counter could lead from the front. So that's why we believe that Bank Nifty will outperform the broader market going forward as well.
Okay, so, the segment-wise, let's talk about, are you more bullish on the private sector banks? Are you more bullish on PSUs or the, financial names like Bajaj Finserv, Bajaj Finance? They've had their share of run-up as well. So which segment are you really more bullish on right now as far as the Nifty Bank is concerned?
See, I'll be more bullish in the private bank where we have safety as well as the momentum. So in private bank, I'll positive on ICICI Bank. Already we have seen good run-up from all the way from 680 to now near to 920 marks, but still momentum could continue. It has measured support near to 880, and this really can extend to us 980 to 1,000 kind of level. Even IndusInd Bank has given a consolidation breakout with the support of around 1150. We can see a move to us 1,300 kind of level. SBI is the counter in PSU where we like a move to us 600. So in PSU, there are selective names, but most of the private banks are likely to lead and expecting private bank to outperform than the PSU banks.
Okay. And what about names like Bajaj Finserv and Bajaj Finance? And also, on the other hand, the HDFC pack as well. What are your thoughts on these two major heavyweight packs that we have in the markets right now?
Yeah, so first, let me talk about HDFC Bank being the part of the Bank Nifty. So HDFC Bank carries the highest weightage in the banking name. But the concern is it is moving slow and steady. Here we have positive to range bound bias, not only the positive. So I think slow and steady over HDFC Bank will lead. We have support near to 1470 and expecting it to slowly head to a 1600 kind of level. When you talk about Bajaj Finance, that is a part of the BFSI or the financial name. So setup is positive, but momentum is missing. Bajaj Finance is also part of the Fin Nifty, and because of that, we see good attraction on the Tuesday as well. So here you may see some sort of consolidation. 68, 60 to 6900 could provide the major support, and slowly we can move towards 8,000 kind of level. So Bajaj Finance and HDFC Bank may take time, but other private banks are likely to lead and show the strength in the market.
So your top bets would also be ICICI Bank and SBI at this point. Do you also want to add another third one?
Yeah, perfect.
Okay. So ICICI Bank and SBI to continue to rule the banking space, the Nifty Bank to outperform not just the broader markets, but also the Nifty index till Diwali. And we may see 42,500 and 43,000 kind of levels also going forward from here. Thank you very much, Mr. Taparia, for being with us and sharing your thoughts on this banking space, because that's the one that's hogging all the limelights today.